Ouch. Ouch. Yeah, kitty, my pot pie.
No, kitty, this is my pot pie.
What is up, everybody? Oh, ow. It's a beautiful... Please don't run off a road. I really don't want to have to pull over and help you. Probably laugh at you first, but you know. I have had to pull people out of an upside down car on the side of the road before. It's a real thing that happens. Ah, there's like a hair in my helmet and it's tickling my face. Ouch. What if I just get up on the sidewalk right there? I'm not gonna do it. I could though. Alright, is it just me or is that touring badge like a little crooked? You guys see that, right? Like that's crooked. That bugs me. Honda, what have you done? I think the pilot is aimed slightly down too. That really bugs me. The touring is definitely aimed more than the word pilot is though. God, Honda, what happened? Is that an anthill? Oh, do I have time to touch it? I don't have time. Dang it. I want to touch it. Next time I'll... You're a little dirty. Dirty boy. What is that from? I can't remember.
Dirty boy, dirty.
Ah, it's Futurama. That's what it was. Oh, you gonna hit the rumble strips? I see how it is. I'm gonna hit the rumble strips then. Oh, I love that sound. What happened there? Did they destroy the road or something? Hey, get off the roof! That's not safe! Oh, there's still a hair and it's touching my face! Oh, I don't like it. What are we doing? There's a whole turn lane, dude. You don't have to stop. Oh my gosh, that tree fell over! There sure is an abnormal amount of destruction on my drive home today. I mean, it's like 2 things, but still. Normally there's 0, so... Oh boy, it's a beautiful day outside, I do tell you what. My skin is so white, bro. That was random. I apologize. Psych. Yeah, that place looks dead. Rip. Look, that fence was broken too, man. What's with all the destruction today? Yo, what is up, bro? Honda Fit. How about I Honda Fit my foot up your way? Alright, I'm not gonna lie, this Honda Fit's kinda getting it. It's kinda like taking off. I mean, I guess it helps when your car weighs 7 pounds, but bro. Too bad his parents never loved him. You suck, sir. You suck. No cap, bro. This Honda Fit is bussin' for real.
Bussin', no cap.
Ugh, too bad the slow Mustang's in the way. Psh, slow stang. Ouch. Ugh, no, the roads here are fine. Why do you ask? Ugh. Good thing I'm paying a lot of tax dollars to go to not fixing the roads. Oh, jeez. Oh, ow. What is going on? Can't let this Honda Fit get away from me. Gotta Valentino Rossi these corners, bro. Nah, I'm saying. I'm a little scared to go too fast around these corners on a bike because I'll hit a bump and I'll just lose it. If these roads were smooth, it wouldn't be a problem, but these roads are far from smooth, if you know what I'm saying.
Well, I'm awake and I speak English, so yeah, I do know what you're saying.
Alright, let's, big yawn. I'm a sleepy boy. I'm gonna look for more anthills, though. Let's see if I can spot a few anthills, you know what I'm saying?
Again, I do know what you're saying, but I appreciate you continuing to check in with me on that.
There's one, found it. Oh, boom, that's a big boy. Seriously, the anthills around here are absolutely gargantuan enormous. That's a new word I just coined. Every time you say it, you have to Venmo me $5. Links are in the description down below. Oh, I don't want to hit that giant thing. Look, more anthills. I'm serious, dude. They're freaking massive. Is this a truck-only gas station? Is that what's going on right now? Thank you, old dude in the Honda Fit, for actually booking it today, man. Normally I'm behind slow people, but that dude bussing for real, for real.
Oh, no cap.
All right, well, that's all I got for you guys today. So I'm going to conclude this video with this. I love you. Not really, but, you know, maybe, you know, unless. All right, peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you next time. All right, I'm going to ramp my bike up this ramp real quick. All right, bye, guys. Ah!